Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can put parental controls on Android. So at the start, launch your device's settings. Now select the Google category, open the All Services list, and among available Google services, locate the parental controls that can be found in the Kids and Family category. Now press Let's Do This button. Make sure to sign into your child's Google account here or otherwise or prior to actually beginning the parental control setup. Anyway, once the child's Google account is selected, press Supervise Account, then press Next. Input your parental email address and password as well. Just sign into your parental Google account, which I will quickly do off camera. So now, once the parental account is successfully signed into, scroll this page all the way to the bottom, input the password to the child's Google account once again, press Next. Before we continue, you'll be able to review the child account filters and restrictions, which you will be anyway able to change at any given point in the future as well, but you can tailor those things now rather than later. But before that, let's allow the supervision to be applied on this phone in the first place. So those are the controls and restrictions you can tailor and change. Then press Next once they are set, and we are all set on the child's end. Now what you need to do is to take your parental smartphone, the mobile phone you'll be supervising your child from, launch Play Store, open search, and here look for the Family Link application, this one. Now get it downloaded and installed, sign into your parental Google account, and that's it. The parental controls are successfully set. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.